Hi. I think that UFOs are real and that aliens regularly visit the Earth.
That is interesting. I have always been fascinated with information on suspected UFO sightings. Do you have any proof?
There is no proof because the government operates a far-reaching conspiracy that covers up all evidence of UFO sightings and alien contact.
Do you think you may be overestimating the government?
What do you mean?
A conspiracy of such vast proportions might require resources beyond their skills.
I am not sure where you are going with this. Who else could cover it up?
If there is no proof, how do you know they are real?
Why would they bother to cover it up if there was nothing to cover up?
I suppose that is a good point. If there is evidence of a cover-up, that is suggestive that there is indeed something to cover up. But how do you know what is being covered up?
There is leaked evidence, including photographs, video footage, testimony from expert witnesses, and many abductees have used regression hypnosis to uncover details about suppressed memories involving extraterrestrial biological entities.
That all sounds like evidence. I thought you had said that there was no proof. Could you please explain why all of this evidence is not considered to be proof?
None of the evidence has ever been accepted by the mainstream media as being legitimate. The liberal media is part of the cover-up and uses information about legitimate sightings to further their own agenda. They cannot forever suppress the truth. Nearly 1 in 3 Americans have encountered a UFO.
That is terrible. I wish the liberals would mind their own business. Wait, did you say 1 in 3 Americans? That is a lot. Have you seen a UFO?
No, but my cousin's neighbor sees one every week. The only exception was the time when my cousin and I went to the place where he usually observes them as well. Apparently our combined subconscious energy made the aliens afraid and they did not show up.
That is too bad. It would have been amazing to see a UFO in real life. I have never seen one either.
Yes, alien beings are everywhere though. I am sure I will see one soon.
Earlier you said that 1 in 3 Americans have seen a UFO. Are they not also observed across the globe and in space?
While there are some sightings in other locales, the alien beings seem to be sensitive to the advanced minds of the American public. 96.4% of credible sightings are seen in North America, with the majority of those being in the southern and western United States.
I have heard that many UFO sightings do not involve aliens at all, that they are top-secret military or paramilitary aircraft and other flying experiments.
That is a myth. Humans are not smart enough to create interdimensional spacecraft. The most advanced aircraft technology that humans have are reverse-engineered technology recovered from alien spacecraft. However, we lack the correct power source to create fully functional craft.
Is it not more likely that humans are flying around on Earth than beings from millions of light years away?
No. The existence of intelligent life elsewhere in the universe is a mathematical certainty.
How would they travel here? Traveling 1 million light years, even at the speed of light, would take 1 million years. Why would they fly 1 million years just to visit Earth?
They do not travel across space and time in the same way that we are limited. They use sophisticated methods of traversing wormholes and other interdimensional anomalies which make the travel time nearly instant. It's like the difference between flying 200 miles over mountains versus walking 200 miles over mountains.
Oh, I never thought of it that way. You sure do know a lot about UFOs?
Yes, I have read dozens of books on the subject. I have also seen every episode of The X-Files by Chris Carter.
Isn't The X-Files a fictional work of art?
It is considered a truth among UFO researchers. Chris Carter obviously did decades of research and based most, if not all, of the plot line on real events.
I think I disagree. Chris Carter is not that old and he was working on other projects at the same time as The X-Files were being written, so it couldn't have consumed all of his time.
That is ridiculous. It is well known among nerds everywhere that the government is corrupt, if not outright evil. Mulder and Scully revealed the true extent of the conspiracy. The television show media was just a tool to allow their truth to make it out to the masses.
Oh, I was not aware. I was under the impression it was all fiction. Thank you for enlightening me on this fascinating subject.
You are patronizing me, aren't you?
Yes, I'm sorry, but I believe you are somewhat paranoid and being misled by the entertainment industry to buy into some mistruths about the subject. While I find the subject interesting, I believe most of your beliefs about it to be rooted in fantasy and science fiction.
Agent Scully is hot.
What?
I want to believe.
I am going to go stand over there now. It was nice talking to you.